this is Festilandia Funfair and little arcades and cafes. Yeah, you've got ice cream beer, you've got a drinking bar, so you can just get a drink beer, chill in this nice seating area whilst the children have a ball in this place. You've got little rides for the little children, well, toddlers and all that. You got this balloon ride. It's actually open right now because it got that little ride going. You got, yeah, another little ride for the kids. And then it's like a Joker, but it's a smaller one. And then you got trampolines. You got a little, oh, that's nice, little coaster. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little runaway train sort of ride. Another little ride. And then we've got the ball pit where the kids have a blast. And you've also got the trampolines. And then this must be in the summer, like a bouncy castle they put up, but obviously it's winter now, so they wouldn't put it up, which is fair enough. You've got like a 3D cinema. And then you've got arcades here and games, and also VR zone. Yeah. And then you've got a drop tower, mini one. And then you've got the little cars over here. Seats. Oh, and you've got another ride there as well. Little motorbikes. And then another train ride. Well, no, it's more like vans. Oh, I like them seats. Nice and colourful. Yeah, not everything is open, but some bits are open, like, you know. And then in here you've got the arcade with plenty of games. Oh, I like that one. And then I like that game as well. So yeah, you've got a nice big arcade with also an air hockey. All that. Yeah. So right next door to the arcade, you've also got a bowling, what's it called? Bowling Redemption, which I'm pretty sure is a bowling alley. Oh right, it's another arcade. Yeah, there's a little look inside. And then you've got another arcade down there. So yeah, that's the bit for the kids. And yes, plenty of lovely rides here for the kids, and also arcades and games, and you know, there's even a bar for you adults out there. And yeah, it's lovely here, guys, and I totally recommend, if you've got children and you're bringing them to Benidorm, bring them to Festilandia, because they will have an absolute ball here. And yeah, just bring them here. And you also got candy and popcorn and ice cream to cater for the children's, you know, appetite as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.